Okay, we're going to be walking straight down this way, which is one of the main streets here in Macau. Well, main street in this area of Macau. Many main streets. So, give you the context. There's these little side streets. There's tons of these little apartments that are like 5-stories high, and some real tall ones too. And this one comes down from this bridge that goes through the tunnel. Gia Hill is over there. That's over towards China, Zhuhai, China. And this is the direction we're going to walk towards Red Market. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, let's get started. This particular street is kind of cool because you have all these big giant trees in the middle, so you get lots of oxygen next to this 4-lane road. So you can definitely hear the traffic, but you don't really feel the pollution of it, you know what I mean? Some kind of interesting buildings around here. McDonald's, of course, that one is kind of interesting because it's 2 stories and it's almost all windows. Go check it all out. So that's a phone shop, Rainbow Street phone shop. Building, Edificio is building. Bank of China. I was just walking by Bank of China earlier. It's a pretty long line. Let's see if the line is still there. Lots of people. No, the line's shorter now. There was a long line. There's a long line inside now. There was such a long line that it was outside as well. Okay. So it's just kind of, I don't know if we can get into this one. It's our side street right there. Nice lined with trees and such as well. So we got our green light right there. Now we're going around the corner. Keep on going down. So this street is called Avenida Horta y Costa. So that's the one that we're on right now. Avenida Horta y Costa. Some watches. Oh, there's like 2 watch shops. There's another one right there as well. This one looks like it's all sake and Chinese liquor. Shop. The Edificio. This one is a nice little kind of department store, old style department store, toy store, pillows, toys, swimsuit. Kind of that old style that we just don't really see around anymore. Pens, to get your pens and paper. Definitely feeds a function. So yet another watch. It's like 3 watch places that we've seen in a row. This one kind of goes near this little, this is called the 3 Lanterns District. Let's see if we can get by here. It's pedestrian friendly, meaning that pedestrians have the right of way. So as a pedestrian, we can just go across. Let's just kind of take a look. So these cars have to stop, and people just kind of go whenever they want. And then as soon as the people are out of the road, the cars can go. So let's just kind of watch that one more time, and we'll see somebody just go right across, and you'll see everybody stop. So here we go. So there's some people. That means that they have to stop, right? So it's pedestrian oriented. And then as soon as they go across, this car will go. And as long as there's people still going across, then they have to stop. So we'll just keep showing you how that works. So here comes another person. They're gonna probably go across too, and then they have to remain stopped as well. So yeah, pedestrians have the right of way here, so it's kind of nice to see. So now that they're going across, this guy will stop again too, right? So that's how it works. They can just keep on coming as long as they want, and then that car will go as soon as there's a spot. So it looks like he's kind of inching towards it a little bit. And now he's going to, let's not. Now he's going to go. Somebody else ran across. To wait a little longer. So yeah, pedestrians have the right of way. that can go, but another person's coming, right? So he legally has to stay, so that person's letting him go, but he's not sure, right? So yeah, that's kind of the way that it works here, is that it's a pretty big fine if you're a car and you go through it and there's people in the pedestrian thing. So people just, so cars will, so it's pedestrian, it's quite relaxing. Highly. Got a Daiso here. There's a lot of Daisos all over. Bus stop. Another Daisos are a chain from Japan, kind of everywhere. Okay, so let's go walk a little bit further. It'd be funny if I crossed that pedestrian crossing, and wouldn't be that funny, but I got hit after just saying all that stuff. But yeah, pedestrians do have the right of way, so it's actually a little bit stressful if you're in a car, because they just kind of keep on coming, and then you got other stuff to contend with. You got motorcycles, so there's lots of motorcycles everywhere too. And actually that one is, but usually they'll try to go in front like this one right here. They'll go between all the traffic, so if you're in the car, it's a little bit of a stress factor. Okay, it's kind of cool. Looks like this is a traditional medicine shop. So yeah, Shah de Erraz medicine, Chinese medicine shop. So they kind of got ginseng and kind of cool stuff like that. So yeah, it looks nice. Okay, so we're gonna end this in a minute. Look at that. It's a little wire hanging there. That's very safe, is it? So I think we're gonna end it when we get to this corner, and then we'll bread markets on at the end. We're gonna end it right there. So hope you like this one. So this is a little view of Macau. Chiquinha, chiquinha.